Rebecca of Pocketful of Poseys. Today's video is the final video in my new Edwardian series. It is the accessories. Now, I had made a pink belt a while ago, probably around a year ago. I made a pink belt just for fun because I wanted a pink belt. And so I decided to use that as a little bit of inspiration and make a hat as well as a new purse to go with my new white Edwardian ensemble. So without further ado, let's get to it. Here we go. I began with a cheap modern summer hat. I didn't have any set ideas or plans for how I wanted the hat to look. I really just experimented until I liked the look. I turned the brim up and pushed the top down a little so it wasn't rounded on top. I pinned the brim up into an interesting shape, I thought, and I tacked it down to keep the brim in the shape I wanted. Hercules had to make his presence felt as well. Now the fun begins. I played around with some lace scraps I had. I just laid it over the hat and arranged it until it looked kind of like a nest on top. I used a cut edge I had of the same lace and started pinning it on the back and sides of the brim. Once I liked the lace placement, I started sewing it down to the hat. Time for flowers. I bought these vintage silk flowers from Pink Swan Millinery on Etsy. Again, I didn't have a plan, I just started throwing flowers at the hat and arranging them until I liked the look. else does an ostentatious Edwardian hat need? Ribbon. I added a bow to the back and experimented with other bow placement. Checking the look on me, and Hercules wanted to give his opinion too. I tacked the flowers down. I didn't do a super secure job, but I will tack them down more securely if I take the hat out into the world. Then I decided I needed more bows and ribbon. I secured them to the hat. And it's done. Now to make a little drawstring purse for my phone, keys, etc. I used some dark pink silk du peony that I had in my stash. I used it for my belt as well. Video link below. I cut out lining for the purse from pink cotton. I pinned and sewed it to the silk. I turned it right side out and pushed out the corners. When I was sewing up the sides, I left openings on both sides of both ends for drawstrings. To finish those openings, I turned the seam allowance to the inside and whip stitched it down. For the end I left open to turn it out, I folded those ends to the inside and sewed the silk to the lining. Then I folded the purse right sides together and sewed the sides closed. After sewing drawstring channels on each end, I threaded some purple ribbon through. And the purse is done. I had a lot of fun making these accessories. The hat is kind of insane and I love it. And it's so just frilly and frou-frou-y and yeah. It's excellent. And the little purse is very, very useful as well. I put them on with my new Edwardian ensemble and I really, really like the way they all look together. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you spending your time with me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, and if you'd like to be notified whenever I upload, you can hit that little bell icon. If you'd like to support the channel further, I do have a Ko-fi account, and that is linked down below. Stay tuned next week for a special little video about a vintage toy sewing machine. I'm going to unbox it and see if I can get it working. So stay tuned for that. On August 20th, I will have a video as part of CoSy, the CosTube Symposium. So stay tuned for that. There are going to be over 100 videos released by so many different amazing CosTubers over that weekend, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I'm also going to be participating in a plus-sized roundtable discussion that is going to be hosted by Miss Philomena on her channel on Sunday, the 22nd. I hope you will all join us for CoSy. I'm so excited for it. I will see you again on our next sewing adventure. Bye!